Welcome to the future of innovation. In this video, we're diving into 10 incredible gadgets of 2025 that you can buy right now on Amazon. These groundbreaking devices are redefining the way we work, play, and stay connected. From cutting-edge AR glasses to a bendable gaming monitor, there's something here for everyone. So, buckle up and get ready to explore the gadgets that are changing the game. Coming at number 10 is the Radio Air 2 XR glasses. Radio is stepping into the AR space with their sleek Air 2 XR glasses. These smart glasses feature a massive 201-inch micro OLED display offering 1080-pixel HD visuals. Whether you're gaming, working, or streaming, these glasses connect seamlessly to your phone, PC, or gaming console. With 9 levels of adjustment for ultimate comfort and weighing just 76 grams, they're lighter than your average sandwich. Plus, with 600 nits brightness, a 120 Hz refresh rate, built-in audio, and advanced mic pickup, these glasses redefine smart eyewear. Number 9. Smart Key Organizer. Carrying a regular set of keys can be a hassle. Too bulky, noisy, and messy. The Smart Key Organizer solves this problem with a sleek design resembling a Swiss Army knife. Made from industrial-grade stainless steel, it holds up to 8 keys and keeps them neat and tidy. You can also attach a USB drive or small accessories, and even your car keys fit perfectly. Oh. Number 8. Splash Zippy. Meet the Splash Zippy, a wireless charger that's as functional as it is stylish. With fast 15W charging, an auto-clamping feature, and silicone pads for stability, it's perfect for cars, desks, and even cyclists. Its transparent design lets you see its inner workings, making it as cool as it is practical. Coming in number 7. Wayne Lux Laser Engraving Machine. The Wayne Lux Laser Engraving and Cutting Machine lets you customize everything from leather to wood. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to carry. The upper part rotates 180 degrees for convenience, and the device connects to your phone via Wi-Fi or cable for seamless design selection. It even cuts through materials up to 5 mm thick, making it a versatile tool for creative. Number 6. Dux Swivel. Say goodbye to shattered screens with the Dux Swivel, a rugged iPad case with a 360-degree stand and ergonomic design. Perfect for professionals on the go, it features an elastic strap for added security, storage for your Apple Pencil, and even a shoulder strap for hands-free use. Whether you're in hospitality, retail, or fieldwork, the Dux Swivel is your ultimate productivity tool. Coming at number 5. DJI SDR Transmission. Known for their drones, DJI is now revolutionizing video production with the SDR Transmission system. This transmitter ensures interference-free, real-time 1080-pixel HD monitoring with an impressive 20 megabit per second transfer rate. It works up to 1,0,0,0,0 feet away, making it ideal for outdoor shoots and dynamic filming scenarios. Number 4. Compact Voice Recorder. A must-have for capturing anything from lectures to concerts, this compact voice recorder offers surround sound recording within an 80-meter range. With 64 GB of internal storage, it organizes recordings automatically and supports both MP3 and WAV formats. Its voice-activated feature pauses during silence, and it's password protected for security. Coming at number 3. Mini Proka. The Mini Proka is a powerhouse mini PC with a 7-inch touchscreen, AMD Ryzen 9 CPU, and up to 32 GB of DDR5 RAM. With 4K output, a Radeon RX 680 GPU, and multiple ports, this compact device is perfect for gaming, multitasking, or cinematic streaming. Its adjustable screen and sleek design make it a versatile addition to any setup. Number 2. Spirulina Growing Kit. Grow your own superfood at home with this Spirulina Growing Kit. Just add water, a nutrient tablet, and some living spirulina, and the device handles the rest. The connected app notifies you when it's ready to harvest. Each setup provides up to 14 servings a month, and the containers are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Coming at number 1, Yeelight Cube. Transform your space with the Yeelight Cube, a smart lamp that doubles as pixel graffiti. Stackable and customizable, it syncs with your voice assistant for seamless control. Whether it's holiday decorations or gaming setups, this cube adds a vibrant touch to any environment. And there you have it, 10 mind-blowing gadgets of 2025 that are ready to elevate your tech game. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech trends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the future.